Hey guys, welcome to MathTech. Today we'll be learning how to mark all as read in Viber, and now let's dive right in. Now to mark all as read in Viber at once, first open up your Viber app and you'll be over here on the chat section of Viber. Now in order to mark all messages as read at once on Viber, simply tap and hold on the chats button, which is at the bottom left corner of the screen, for a moment like this guys, and you can see, just tap and hold on it and this kind of interface will appear where you can see it says mark all chats as read. This can be undone. Tap on mark all and all of your messages in Viber will be marked all as read at once. And guys, this is how to mark all as read in Viber at once. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.